And here we are with another tool review. Just got this in the mail, just like I said before. That's what that looks like. I can focus. And guess what this is? Maybe not. Anyways, just trying to show you what the whole box looks like. As you can see, nothing in the back. So this is my new set of inserts, or what do you call those? Come on, where are you? Except for the box is the one that always gives me problems taking it out. And I apologize because I have to use my hand as a tripod this time, since I keep forgetting my tripod somewhere else. Anyway, this is the 5-piece heli coil or thread repair set. So you can see here, and this is all the instructions that you get. Basically a little handout. I'll put it on here. Explains what you need to do, and it just shows you drill, tap, put the insert in with the tool, put the insert in and tap it with the hammer, and there you go. And that's pretty much all the instructions you get. I was gonna get just like one set of these because you can actually buy them separately, but I found them on eBay. I wanted just the whole set because I didn't have anything anyway. So I was able to get the whole set for around $30, 32 or 4, somewhere on there, with tax, that is. So you get an M5 by 0.8 millimeter. This is all metric, by the way. M6 by 1.0, M8 by 1.25, and M10 by 1.5, M12 by 1.75. I still have to check what thread I have on the car for that hole that I need to fix on the valve cover, but I know it's a 10, so I'm hoping this will be the correct one. If not, well, I just got a set that I can't use, but it is a metric, so it's the Toyota, so we'll see. Now you get 25, 20, 25, 25, and 10 of the inserts from counting them here. So they're very generous with those, which is nice. So let's look at the number 10, M10. So this is what the tool looks like, or the insert tool. Let me see if I can get a better view of it. There you go. Oh, and all of them have this collar here, which reminds me, there is an Allen here. If I can find it, because I just lost it. Thought I put it in here. I swear I put it in here a second ago. Let me see. Can't be that blind. I know I'm not there yet, but anyway. So there is an Allen key for those, or for those inserts. I just had one loose. I tightened it and it's in there. I'm sure I'll see it in a moment here, sooner or later. There it is. I knew I put it in here. So there is that Allen. Try not to lose it like I did. That'd be kind of hard. So this is like a 3 millimeter or something like that. That's my guess. I haven't measured, but there you go. You get the Allen key. I don't know if you really need to move the collar or not, since you're just screwing the insert with it, and it doesn't seem like you really need to, but someone with more experience can maybe comment on that. Now, you get this one. As far as the flutes, Let me get a better spot here. They're actually pretty good. Come on. Compared to another tap set that I got years ago, that was horrible. So that's the bottom there. It's flat. I don't know what that is. Kind of off center a bit. They're all high-speed steel. Let me see if I can get the number here. The numbers are really hard to read though. So there you go. It's I got it backwards or upside down. Let's see if I can get a high-speed steel. This is the, what is that, ST10 by 1.5. So as you can see, it's really hard for me to read that even. It's very light, but it's in the correct spot, so you can always figure that out. So it's not a big deal, but I did want to show you the actual cutting threads, and they are pretty good so far. And of course you get the drill. Let me see here. So it's 10.5. Yep, that's what it says. 10.5. So I don't know. That is correct. What am I talking about? That is 10.5 millimeters right there. So that's going to be the one for the 10 here. So it's going to be cut 0.5 millimeter bigger, which makes sense. I don't know why I was thinking something else, but it does go from M5, where am I? M5, as you see here, all the way to M12, as you see there. I'm going to paint these so it's easier to read the numbers. So let me look at the bottom there. So that's the tool, or the insert tool. We already look at the tab, and this is the actual, it's just a piece of metal, steel, so they're pretty good. Let me see, let me get the smallest one. I thought this was kind of bent, but it's not. It just seems that way. So far they're good. And again, you're not gonna be doing quite a lot of pressure on these things anyway, so this may seem perfectly okay. Now let's look at the inserts, just to give you a close-up of those. I just closed it. Of course you did. Right when I need it. Hang on. Oh, can't open the bag, so we're just gonna rip it. So let me show you this. I tried to give you a close-up. So they seem pretty well made. You can't, they're not springy, so if I put my nail in there, I can bring it out, but as you can see, that's what that looks like. So it's going to be interesting to see how they work, since I've never actually used one of these things. However, there is one thing that I should mention on this thing. This is the only one that doesn't quite fit in the this groove here. Well, there are a couple of things I need to talk to you about. So, the groove, just like that again. What did I want to say? Oh, yeah, the tap. So this kit, the only thing it's missing that I just realized is the actual handle, so that you can use the tap and tap the hole. I do have one at home, somewhere else. But yeah, you're gonna need one of those because it would have been neat if they actually included one here. So then you would be pretty complete. With that said, let me show you. This molded case is actually pretty good. It's not just regular crappy plastic. It's actually pretty thick. But the cool thing is, if I can grab it, come on, not again, not again. I just did it earlier. Hang on. So you can see, I can take it out. And the plastic is actually pretty good again. However, the case, it's not so much because my rivet here, it's almost pretty much gone. Of course, not a huge deal, but as you can see, this thing's almost falling apart up by itself. On this side it did. It's pretty much gone. It's right here, right there. So that's kind of sad, but what do you get? What can you expect? But so far, everything else seems to be good. I do like the, like I said, I do like the hard case. That's pretty nice. Other than that, it's just a little hard to open when it's closed, but there you go. That's your, let me get the correct thread repair set from eBay that you can get for around 30 bucks. Other places were a lot more expensive, so that's why I looked and I found it there, so I just got this one. The only thing, I might have to get more of these, and maybe if I can have room in the back, I may be able to put a little wrench for it, so I don't have to keep going back and forth. Maybe not, I'm not sure. But other than the missing tap handle, you're pretty much set for these numbers. So I hope that helps. I'll have to make another video for when I do use it, but right now I just want to kind of show you what you get. Like usual, I like to show the close-ups as much as I can, and well, that's it for now.